Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. Today we're checking out 20 essential woodworking tools that every craftsman should have. Let's get started. Locking C-clamp. Locking C-clamp provides a strong, precise grip for any project. Its adjustable swivel pads and durable carbon steel build ensure reliable, accurate clamping on materials of all shapes and sizes. With an 18-inch locking reach and 9-inch throat depth, it offers versatility for both home and professional use. Compact and portable, it's the perfect tool for craftsmen on the go. Foldable Carpenter Square Ruler. The foldable Carpenter Square measures 12 inches when unfolded, offering a greater measuring range while remaining compact and easy to store. With a 1/16 inch scale, it provides precise measurements for accurate woodworking. This multifunctional tool lets you draw parallel, perpendicular, angular, and isometric lines quickly. Dowel Jig Kit. The Dowel Jig Kit allows you to create clean and precise dowel joints with ease. You can use over 5 alignment methods to ensure accuracy and control. The kit includes 1/4 and 3/8 inch removable drill guide blocks for versatile drilling. An onboard measuring scale and stop collar settings simplify setup and make repeatable drilling easy. Drill guides and alignment pins provide reliable accuracy and straight dowel holes. Cabinet Door Installation Positioner. The Cabinet Door Installation Positioner makes solo installation quick and easy. Its high-quality aluminum alloy construction provides stable support for perfectly aligned doors. Dual-scale measurements ensure consistent door height, making it ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This handy tool helps save time and effort on every cabinet installation. Carbide Forstners. The FAMAG Bormax 3 carbide tipped Forstner bits offer precision German engineering for clean, tear-free cuts. Made from premium alloy tool steel with a black oxide finish, they resist rust and pitch buildup, while the carbide layer stays sharp up to 10 times longer. Ideal for softwoods, hardwoods, melamine, and particle board. Cordless Router. The Cordless Router offers a 50mm routing depth and powerful brushless motor for fast, precise cuts in wood and wood-like materials. It features millimeter-precise depth adjustment, a robust 2-column guide for stability, variable speed control, and a hardened collet chuck for accurate bit alignment. Safety features include spindle lock, restart protection, and motor overload protection. UniversalChain 18. The EasyChain 18 chainsaw is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making high branch cutting effortless. Powered by an interchangeable 18-volt lithium-ion battery with Synion technology, it delivers a cutting speed of 4.8 meters per second with a high-quality Oregon chain for efficient performance. The chainsaw maintains constant power, features tool-free chain changes, and weighs just 2.5 kilograms for easy handling. Contractor Straight Edge Clamp Saw Guide. The Contractor Straight Edge Clamp Saw Guide helps woodworkers achieve perfectly straight cuts with ease. Its adjustable clamps securely hold materials up to 24 inches, while low-profile jaws provide an unobstructed work area. Made from lightweight aluminum, it is strong, durable, and compatible with rotary saws, jig saws, circular table saws, routers, and jointers. Plate Joiner. The plate joiner features a powerful 701-watt motor, delivering 11,000 revolutions per minute for fast, precise cuts. Its rack and pinion fence system ensures accurate adjustments, with preset stops at 0 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees. 6 depth settings with one-touch stops fit common biscuit sizes. Designed with a durable cast aluminum body, ergonomic grip, and non-marring inserts, it offers comfort and stability. Straight Grinder. The Bosch Straight Grinder delivers precise, powerful performance for wood connections. Its 670-watt motor ensures clean, accurate milling for frame, corner, and cross joints. Adjustable angle and depth settings provide flexibility, while metal angle guides enhance precision. Compatible with the Bosch Click and Clean system, it also features constant speed, a spindle lock, and a 2-hole spanner for easy operation. Electric Secateurs. The style cordless secateurs are designed for effortless pruning in home gardens. Ideal for trimming trees, bushes, shrubs, ornamental plants, and vines. They make long pruning sessions easier and more comfortable. This individual tool is supplied without a battery or charger. An integrated LCD display shows the battery charge level and operating status for convenient, efficient use. Sliding miter saw. The sliding miter saw delivers powerful, precise performance for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Its dual-speed motor and included 10-inch TCT blades make it ideal for cutting wood, PVC, and soft metals. With a 13-inch sliding rail and extendable side tables, it accommodates materials up to 4 by 13 inches for a wide cutting range. The ambidextrous design ensures comfortable use for both left and right-handed users, while the built-in laser guide provides clean, accurate cuts every time. Oscillating Multi-Tool. The Oscillating Multi-Tool is an incredibly versatile tool designed for a wide range of applications. It features variable speed control from 7,000 to 17,000 oscillations per minute for precise operation, and a trigger-style handle with a lock-on button for comfortable continuous use. The vibration-damping design with metal housing and premium gearing ensures smooth performance and reduced fatigue. Cabinet clamps. The cabinet clamps make cabinet installation fast and precise. Their built-in drilling guide lets you drill pilot and screw holes without repositioning, allowing easy solo work. Made from heavy-duty cast steel with an aluminum alloy alignment plate, they're strong and durable. They ensure perfect alignment for cabinets, shelves, and flushboard joints. Pocket Hole Jig Kit. Pocket Hole Jig Kit makes precise, strong pocket hole joints easy for woodworkers and DIYers. Adjustable for materials from 1/2 inch to 1 3/4 inches, it features a quick clamp for stable positioning and a durable aluminum 2-in-1 jig for bench or portable use. The kit includes drill bits, screws, plugs, and a removable vacuum hose for dust-free operation. 3-in-1 Dowel Jig Drill Kit. The 3-in-1 Dowel Jig Drill Kit is a precise woodworking tool for creating 8mm, 10mm, and 15mm dowel joints in panel furniture. Adjustable for hole height and depth, it ensures accurate positioning for corner, edge, face, T, and L joints. Made from high-quality 6061 aluminum alloy with a hardened steel center block, the jig is durable and long-lasting. Metal Concealed Hinge Jig. The Metal Concealed Hinge Jig is made from durable aluminum alloy with built-in bearings for stable, precise drilling. It allows quick depth adjustments and easy clamping for accurate hinge installation. The 35mm hinge opener works with 12 to 25mm wood and is compatible with most standard cabinet hinges and electric drills. inDexable Square System. The inDexable 6-inch combination square system includes a 6-inch stainless steel rule with a combination square head and wall-mountable racket storage. The sliding head features an indexing system every inch for precise scribing, with laser-cut guides on 1/16-inch centers and laser-engraved graduations that won't wear off. The combination square head provides accurate 45 degrees and 90 degrees angles for versatile use. Jigsaw. The 800-watt jigsaw features a powerful motor with 6 speed settings and 6 blades for wood, plastic, metal, and aluminum. It cuts at angles from -45 degrees to 45 degrees, with a maximum depth of 110 millimeters in wood and 10 millimeters in metal, and offers 0 to 3 orbital settings for different materials. A quick-release chuck and magnetic blade storage make blade changes easy, while the laser guide, scale ruler, and lock-on button ensure precise, comfortable cutting. Shelf Pin Jig. The shelf pin and hinge jig combines 2 essential jigs in one compact tool, allowing both shelf pin and hinge cup hole drilling. Its upgraded 11-hole template lets you drill a full row of shelf pin holes in a single pass for faster, more precise work. The hinge jig fits most common concealed hinges, with adjustable edge distances and included screws. That's our list of 20 must-have woodworking tools. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more from the Chop Busters.